Once again, let me all welcome you to the CXO Power Meet. This is a platform for high-profile talks and conversations with leaders and experts in the business and industry to transform leaders, impact organizations, and to develop evolving business models.
Yeah, so the main focus is the customers without visiting branch making transaction 100% through online. That's
Okay.
the first priority.
Right.
Then second one is paperless, because we are providing documentation. So to documentation is supposed to come branch. So to avoid digitally the documents to be sent as email. That's what the first priority we are given.
What we have done on this pandemic period was we encouraged the work from home. So at that time we were able to give the communication solutions like cloud telephony or smart dialer. They can, the customer or a company itself, they can be able to use, they will be able to use this software or our platform to get interact with their customer. So that even the company and also the managers, even them, they can monitor themselves, they can improve the quality and efficiency. That is the best thing that we have done during this pandemic period.
So we are implementing a few facility management softwares where like we can track, like, so we have meeting rooms and dedicated desk or private offices, so where we can manage and track all the user activities. Like if someone wants to book a meeting room, they can use the app or the web link to book or use the space, or if they want to print something, they can send it through that app. So all those things. Plus we have developed an IoT enabled furniture which can be rendered out by companies.
We believe in a mantra that basically what customer look for a that is business enhancement. You said about the optimal utilization of the resources, that is your cost should be reduced, you should get the best solution. Okay, you require the single point of service provider where they can cater all your IT requirements. You are looking for a flexibility, you are looking for a redundancy, security. These are some of the requirements which you require. So basically we believe in a mantra called that is develop, deliver and delight. That is develop the understanding the requirement, develop the right solution and product to the customer based on the requirement, deliver the right solution which can have the high value and the high quality to the customer, and delight, finally look for a, that is, and finally we should have a good customer experience so that the customer get delighted at the end of the day.
What has happened is, during the pandemic and we moved to a work from home model or a hybrid model, taking a backup on the on-prem was a problem for us. So we did a BCP with one of a different data center. So we were completely with DigitalOcean and AWS, and we moved to a different data center for our entire backup process.
All our products and our own operation is moved to cloud. The business continuity, now the risk of utilizing depending on a vendor. Let's say we are using SMS for one vendor. So instead of that, we are using at least 3 vendors back to back, and we made an application for switchability. If one service fails, automatically it switches to the other. We have a product for Digital Vault, which basically it is a storage of all digital assets. Anything for that matter. All our products are back-to-back integrated to Digital Vault, and the Digital Vault earlier we based on Google Cloud platform. Today we are moved into AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure. So the switchability is there, and multiple cities is there, and multi-tenancy is there, and customer can choose also. For example, somebody says I want AWS, they'll have to give the credentials and data will go there. Or even though they're using our product. So this is the only thing we feel as business continuity, but the threat is products like ChatGPT. We have to adapt to that rather than feeling worried about that. We feel we should adapt to that because that is an opportunity as far as we are concerned.
More products based on clouds like that, payment gateway for we have a NBFC. Currently payment aggregators are there. They are giving more and more choices. Previously it is only Google Pay. Now they are giving WhatsApp solution, Indian based solution like that. As a our industry base, we need that more and more that payment and disbursement, online disbursement products that will be more suitable for in our industry.
Continuity without digital technology is not possible for us. So definitely DC, DR and similar solutions are required, which we have for our on-prem. And we also have SaaS solutions on cloud fundamentally. like Salesforce.com or Office 365, which ensures the required backup. Connectivity is another problem with redundancy and all, as some of them said. Nowadays, with having 4 vendors also, still I am having connectivity issues. My uplink at Cochin, my data center has a problem. My SAP is working, but I am unable to give connectivity. So, the connectivity, the data center, all put together, we should have a concrete plan. And soon we will have SAP also going to cloud. That plan is there for S4HANA and all. And through that, we expect that sometime the entire IT infrastructure of us will be on cloud.
Basically, in our business model, actually, the more number of data center connectivity for having the international content solutions and all the CDN solutions and all this stuff to reach to Kerala. Kerala is actually not having any kind of a CDN networks presence available. So that has to be available as.
We are evolving on a faster pace. There are a lot of players coming in from Gujarat and other areas also. So we need to be very cautious in tackling, moving along with the technology. We should be, more, ready to acquire more technology rather than, feeling that this is going to hamper the entire thing or disrupt it. Actually, everyone is feeling the same. The same thing everyone is going through.
Okay.
So we feel that that is a challenge. There is a challenge is there, but still there are a lot of things to reap in the long run.